Hello and welcome. My name is Jason and I'm the owner and founder of Reforming Trauma Coaching and Counselling. Today we're going to have a look at factors which make you vulnerable to manipulation. This video is going to be part one of a two-part series. Manipulation is the act of deceitful or improper influence over others. A person may use manipulation as a way to trick or fool people into meeting their needs. Manipulation is often used when the direct approach is unlikely to work or when the direct approach is unknown. There are several factors which can make you vulnerable to manipulation, and we're going to have a look at a few of those factors now. The first factor is people pleasing. People pleasers are extremely vulnerable to manipulation as they seek to do whatever they are told simply so that they can maintain that connection or maintain a relationship with people so that they are liked. People pleasers will seek to placate manipulators as they view their perceived connection or relationship with the manipulator as being important and special, and so they don't want to do anything which would jeopardize that relationship or that connection. Manipulators know that people pleasers are dependent on attention and connection, and they use this knowledge to their full advantage, often leaving the victim as a discarded husk of a shell. They use, they abuse, and then they abandon. The second factor which can make you vulnerable to manipulation is having a victim mindset. If you believe, for whatever reason, that you are a victim of some cause or situation, a manipulator will latch onto you, feed into your victim mindset, and so create the power imbalance necessary to coerce you into giving them whatever they want. An example might be when you are annoyed about someone or something. A good manipulator will encourage you into acting on your anger and frustration. Once you have done something rash, illegal, or regretful, the manipulator will use what you did against you by blackmailing you. It can be emotional blackmail or it can be direct blackmail. The last factor that can make you vulnerable to manipulation is lacking emotional intelligence. Whenever we are ruled by our emotions, our logic and reasoning skills fly out the window. Manipulators love keeping their victims in an emotionally charged state because it stops their victims from using their logic to figure out that something is not quite right and to figure out that they are being taken advantage of. If you are quick to anger and your manipulator wants your position at work, they will secretly push your anger buttons, run off to your boss and tell them how unstable you are, and so get you fired and take over your job. There you go. So we had a look at 3 factors which can make you vulnerable to manipulation. In part 2, we'll explore some more factors.